Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can see my future posts. Today's video is just a lockdown video. You're going to see what I'm going to get up to today. I'm going to go for a run, hence the sport attire, and then I'm going to walk the dog, sort the office out, sort dinner out, I can't remember what else, and I'm sure I've got other things to do. Also an update on the house and what we've done so far. And I'm also going to discuss some matters that I've experienced over the past few weeks in regards to stress of this lockdown. Being a business owner, you could only imagine the amount of stress it is to have during this lockdown. So I'm going to open up and discuss what I've gone through with that, only a bit, but I just thought I'd talk about it so people don't feel alone and feel like it's not normal to feel like this, because it is, and I'm sure I'm not the only person that has experienced these feelings. But anyway, I'm not going to go on and on and on and on. But yeah, that's what's going on in today's video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, time for a run. I found that runs and exercise in general has just kept my mind a bit clearer, so I'm not all fogged up with all the negative vibes that's going on at the moment. I'm laughing, but inside I'm crying because I have not been great for the past few days, but I'm okay and I will get there and I'll get through this. So I'm going to go for a run, clear my head, lose some calories. But yeah, gonna go for a run, and I'll see you in a bit. Really red. I just thought I'd express my opinion on two things that I hate when I'm running. One, my eyes water, I feel like I'm crying. And two, beepers, drivers that go past honking at you when you're running. Pain at the bum. Anyway, run is done. My head feels clear. Just having a warm down walk, cool down walk. But yeah, I probably look a right mess, but I thought I'd express my opinions on those 2 points of running. Catch you in a bit. Okay, I'm nice and cool now. I've just done a bit of sorting in the office. Decided not to record it because I was dealing with some personal information and bank statements, and I just didn't want to record that and have it out on the internet by accident. So I didn't take you with me on that adventure, which might have been a bit too boring anyway. So now I'm going to go enjoy my toasted ham and Marmite sandwich and then crack on with the rest of the day. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. I'm so hungry. I think he is, isn't it? I've got an audience as always. The dog and the cat. This house is such a mess. I'm so sorry. But you're getting there. I mean, we've got the bay bench nearly done. I did some painting the other day of the boxes because it's all fitted in now, just needs painting. The mantle's gone up, which looks really good. And what else? Office has been painted, which is really cool. I've gone for a green and a grey and a white triangle. I don't know what you'd call it, but I saw a couple of examples on Pinterest, which is my favourite app at the moment. I just really liked it, so I did my own take on it. The dog just farted. What else has gone on in the house? The shed's gone. That went down. It was eventful because we tried to dismantle it so we can put it back together again, but it didn't work. We ended up having to just get rid of it. That was a very stressful time. In the office as well, Jordan's finished the desk. It's fitted now. Got some varnish on it. Got some more varnish to put on it to make it shiny. TV's up in the lounge as well. We're kind of getting a feel of what the lounge is going to look like, but the office is nearly done. Yeah, that's what's going on at the moment with the house. Hey, I've had my brunch. I had brunch. It was delicious. Now I'm going to go and do the washing up and then hopefully leave by 11 o'clock to go and walk the dog. I'm doing some voluntary work today for a key worker. Unpaid work, just voluntary. I can't work because I'm on furlough at the moment, but I can volunteer, and I'm doing that today. And it's going to be Monty, which is a wonderful red Labrador. And to be honest, I don't care as long as I'm getting out the house and seeing dogs. Obviously safety and all that, so I've got my gloves, hand sanitizer, my own leads to walk in as well. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wash up, do a walk. See you in a bit. I have got to our destination for the walk. I've got the dogs. Let's go for walkies. I'm excited. Just makes you feel good getting out in the fresh air and just watching the dogs be absolute idiots. Top tip, something that I've learned valuable in my years on this earth. Okay. But anyway, the top tip, if you're feeling low or having just a bad moment, just take yourself away from that situation, whether if it's on your sofa, on your office desk, or up your office desk, should I say? I can't stone. Just get up and go for a walk, change the scenery, take your mind off that negative vibe. It helps, it does help. It doesn't get rid of whatever's going on all the time, but it just helps just level yourself out a little bit. But yeah, do that. I mean, we're all under stress and worry and anxiety at the moment with the current situation of the world pandemic. I mean, if that doesn't help at all, but I hope it does. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm trying to keep an eye on two dogs. Oh, who's going for poo? But yeah, if you're feeling down, go take your mind off it. Do yourself a favour and just try and get yourself away from that situation or moment in time. Okay, I'm gonna go pick up a poo. Okay, poo is handled. Monty, this way! Boy. While I'm on it and while I'm on a quiet route, just know that it's okay not to be okay. Pandemic or no pandemic, it's okay not to be okay. I've struggled the past few days, that's why my video's late on YouTube this week. I just haven't had the mental, I don't know what the word is, I wasn't motivated to do a video, and I'm still a bit low, but I'm feeling better and I feel up to doing it today. Come on, sweetie, good boy. Yeah, feeling low past few days. It's hard, and I'm not saying I'm not grateful for having good health and a roof over my head, and I'm in a good situation. I know some people are worse off, but it has been hard for me in my world. I've got a company, and I love it. I love running it, and I made it. It's my baby. It's been 7 years this year that it's been running. And I've enjoyed every minute, and this pandemic is just, it puts strain on you and it will everyone, but for me, in the UK we get a furlough. I've got 3 employees that rely on me for this furlough, and as a small business owner, and I don't have a clue, and no one else does have a clue. And in my situation, I thought I couldn't do furlough, and then I realised I could, but it was just too late because my accountant had already applied for my furlough, so I couldn't apply for the staff's furlough for that month. So my staff, unfortunately, have gone without furlough for a month, but I'm doing my best to make sure they get it next month in 2 payments, but that's got its own problems. At the moment, I'm finding it tough because I feel like I've not given my employees who I adore, and if it wasn't for them I wouldn't have the business I do now, because they help it keep going, if that makes sense. I feel like I failed them in a way, which is, it's hard on myself, but I feel if I'm not hard on myself sometimes, I'm not motivated to do my best for them or the business. But yeah, that's me at the moment. I hope that will make sense, because it's all going off in my head at the moment. But that's why I've been down. I just feel that I failed a bit, but I'm doing all I can for them. I just feel like, I don't know, I did do all I could to help them. I'm not going to do it anymore, but that's my situation at the moment, and that's the reason why I'm down. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but yeah, that's me at the moment. I'm getting there. I'm just happy. I've got some voluntary work to do to keep my mind off it, which is only 2 days a week, but it's better than nothing. I'm sorry if my camera goes all over the shop. I'm keeping an eye on the boys and filming a vlog. Anyway, back to the walk. Okay, the walk is done. I think we've just missed rain, which is a bonus. So I'm going to take Monty home and go home, and I'll meet you there. See you in a bit. I don't know why I did that. But I'm feeling good because I've just had a shower. Oh, Netflix. Yeah, I just had a shower, washed my hair. I thought I had a quiz with my family tonight, but it's not tonight, it's tomorrow. But at least my hair's all washed and cleaned and my body is clean. I'm just doing some admin for work. Even though I'm not working, it just gives me the chance to sort my admin out, because I've got the time. And I got to say, this dinner smells delicious. It smells amazing. I hope it's tasty. I knew what ingredients went into it, but I just mixed and matched and did it to what I thought would taste nice. So fingers crossed I have tasty chicken for dinner. I'm just going to add pasta to it, I think, to bulk it out a bit and fill us up. So yeah, I'm going to do some admin, and I think that's it for today. No, I'll let you know what the chickens taste like later. If not, I'll let you know next time. Anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, it's the next day. To confirm, the chicken was gorgeous. I'm sorry I look a bit like a foot right now, but I'm just editing the video and I thought I'd end the video here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really appreciate you watching the video, taking your time to like and subscribe. So please don't forget to do that if you haven't done so already. And leave me my favourite comment down below, which is this emoji here. Please send me flowers. I need it at the moment. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.